on travel favorites for moms. It's my favorite items we took on our recent trip. This super inexpensive container you fill with baby powder has been the best sand removal option I've found yet. The step stool folds completely flat and takes up no more room than a folder. You can use it as a stool or a step stool, which was awesome for our sassy 3-year-old. My favorite compact beach towels. They're always the MVP of any pool or beach trip. This over-the-door alarm is super inexpensive and a great way to keep toddlers safe if you have a house with a pool. My new on-the-go coffee mug can get thrown in my purse filled with liquid and won't spill. It was awesome for how often we were on the go. This 3-in-1 charger is honestly the best thing ever to travel with, and these collapsible buckets are the only way to do sand buckets with kids. This snack container is great for road trips with kids because they can't spill the whole thing at once. These travel blackout curtains hang by suction cups and will save your sleep. This travel junk drawer bin is honestly the best thing when you're traveling. Fill it with all those small necessities that you're gonna need. And last, the headrest hooks for bags in the car. Everything's linked on my Amazon.